It's October 19th, Monday. Uh nice trading day look like. We got some stocks I'm watching right now. Um Currently watching this pullback on BIMI, which is the leading gapper today. It's up a little over 150%. It's banging this VWAP right here. As you see, I called in the group. It's hitting the VWAP. I'm watching for the pullback. Look at this RSI. Look at this MACD. It's still pulling back on the 5-minute. Look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart. You'll see as well. Consolidation, pullback, right? You look at the 1-day, 1-minute. It's banging this VWAP. It's not support. So if it crosses it's 396, 398 mark. That's the buy-in point. First of all, I'm not giving anybody advice, financial advice. Just showing you how I'm trading through my eyes. I put in the group right now. The buy-in point is 401. That I am looking at. I don't care what you're looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Hold on one second. Waiting for this pullback for the reversal before I buy in. So usually it pull back a lot, then it reversed and it takes off. Here go the buy-in point coming. I put in the 401 buy-in point. Let me draw my line right here. Actually 396. I'm gonna draw it here at 401, which not the buy-in point really. It's right here. Let me move it out the way. Let me change my my number. Now the new buy-in is 382. All right, as you can see, it's below that VWAP. Now you saw earlier. Let me go back and look. You saw earlier that it overextended the VWAP. It took off way above the VWAP, rolled the EMA straight up, right? Then it pulled back, supported the VMA, then broke through it. So now we're on the current decline. Now you know, if you're a trader, been trading for any kind of time now, you should know by now that the VWAP is the key point to watching stocks being traded. So you know it's going to overextend, it's going to be oversold, overextend, but it's going to always come back to the VWAP. In this case, it's no difference. It was riding VWAP the whole day yesterday. It popped up, pulled back below the VWAP, above the VWAP again, ran up, hit the VWAP right below it. So this morning we had news, I think, if I'm mistaken. Yeah, we had news this morning on the earnings, which is way 1100% higher than it was last year, which caused stock to run tremendously. So current trading right now is 10.3 million shares float. The volume is 16.6 million. You know by now, if the volume is higher than the share float, it causes these run-ups all the time. You'll see sometimes the stock be having trading like 100,000 shares, and then it be running like it's crazy. Let me give you an example. CCCN this morning, which is pump and dump. Sorry, CCNC. There we go. Let me go to my charts for a minute. CCNC. See here? Yesterday it was 80 cents, $1.06. This morning we're at $6. Then it pulled back immediately. Now this is 5-minute candle. This is only 5-10-minute range. It popped up 500% in a 10-minute range and pulled all the way back. It's trading. It has 30 million share float, 6 million shares being traded right now. But this morning though, it had 110,000 shares traded on this candle right here. Move this thing up 500%. That's crazy. Be careful of pump and dumps. They everywhere, all over the place. You'll see them all the time. You click on here, see how big this move was. This one move right here, 353% move on one 5-minute candle. Now, if it was doing the market hours, it would have halted on volatility. As you know by now, a 10% move on the candle 1 minute, we're going to halt it. Let's go to the 1-minute candle and look at this for a minute. Let me make it bigger right here. Hold on. All right. So looking at the big picture, 1-minute candles wasn't that big of a move, right? Or was it? There it was. 74% move one candle. Next candle. Freaking 30% move. So it's moving. So it would have halted easily on the freaking 1 minute candle if the market was open. Because the market isn't open, it's not halting. Look at KXIN for the pullback right here. I'm looking at BIMI. CCNC, KXIN, hold that one. BIMI 366, steady pulling back, perfect. I want that pullback. I'm gonna buy it on the first 5 minute candle to make a new high. I'm gonna go in the group in a minute and put down my buy-in point. I wanted that pullback. It was way overextended. Don't chase stocks. Don't chase stocks. All right, BIMI. Reversal right now, 1 minute candle, perfect. The 5 minute candle, not so much. The VWAP right here, yeah, we got a little ways to go for I buy in, if I trust it. This is way too big of a candle to buy in on. However, look at the RSI. It want to reverse. It's reflecting up here. Green volume bar reflecting up here. However, the MACD is dark green, which usually means it's a pullback. You notice light green is going up. The dark green is pulling back, and you go below here, you see a light red, which is heavy sold, and we see a burgundy reversal. That's how you read that MACD. Here it is. Here it's still marked at the VWAP 383. That's a new buy-in point. I put in the group as well. 5 minute not showing much of buy-in. However, it's leading gap on the day. Everybody watching it, as you can see. Here go the SMA line. Sorry, EMA line. It's keep banging. It blows through that. They hit 381. Then they go to buy-in point. And there it is, 382. That's the buy-in point, 381. And look at it go. I'm not going to buy it quite yet, though. I want to get one solid candle above the VWAP. I want the VWAP to be support, not resistance. That's one thing I got to realize. I learned a long time ago even, that you want the VWAP to become support, not the resistance point. I put in the group, tapping that 382 buy-in point. So if you're looking what I'm looking at and you put in the group what I did, you'll see I said 382 is a new buy-in point. So you could have got a quick 10 cent right there. 1,000 shares, right? 10 cent, quick $100, right? And we're not done yet. Look at the 5 minute candle. Check this out right quick. Here go to buy-in here, 395, new buy-in point. I'm gonna stand by on this. I'm watching it. I'm gonna put in the group 395 is now your resistance point. Five minutes for market open. All right, I'm putting my orders in right now. Well, I'm on my long-term account through my cell phone, watching these points. So I'm on my cell phone right now. I'm not gonna trade the small account, which is right here on the screen, because this will have the amount of equity I would need to make larger trades for these little 10 cent moves. See how it's pulling back again the 5 minute candle? See the bust through that 395 point. That's your resistance. Let me see this right here. There we go. We're gonna watch it for a minute. It's in the group. Let me see. BIMI is a big leading gapper right now. I'm gonna watch this for a minute. CCNC, and it's hard to borrow as well. HGB. Remember what a hard to borrow stock means. KXIN. And the other one looking at was CCNC. Let me look at the CCNC. 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 Yeah. Take a look at this right quick. I'm watching this BIMI on my screen. I'm on my cell phone doing other stuff, trying to find some buy-in points on other stocks in my long account. All right, we got 2 minutes and 7 seconds to the bell. This BIMI is going to explode. It's almost guaranteed. I put in the group as well. All right, look down here. You'll see my watch list to the left right here. You'll see right here we have who we at, Joe? I lost it. There we go. 10 million shares float, trading 18.2 million. My line I drew earlier, you see here, is banging at that VWAP, right? The EMA is support as well, which is setting up perfectly for a buy-in. You look at this red candle, big sell candle, look, reversal, RSI, right? Turning backwards, 67 here on the RSI scale. The MACD is at 52, right? 0.52. It's pulling back. Perfect. But this point here, it's going to be a key point as a blow through point. Watch what happens right here. It's going to be a key point. So I'm going to trade, let me see, 100. It's a small account, so I don't trade many shares. I'm going to trade 100 and, I got a minute. 120 maybe? Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to trade 120. That'll work. 120 shares. Check my auto send, because I'm going to buy at market. The 1 minute chart. Take a look at the 1 minute chart. Perfect. Reversing. They got a VWAP right there. Keep an eye on it. Reversal, reversal. 1 minute looking good. 5 minute. Let's watch. Blow through this point. That's the buy-in point. For right up to the high of the day, 444. We got 12 seconds. I'm going to hold over here and wait. Let me move this up right here. Watch for the pullback first, and then watch for the explode. Look at the bar, red, sell, right? We're watching for the buy bar. They go to buy in for the run through. Let's go. Blow through that point. It should have blew through it. It didn't. Ah, it sucks. I'm still going to hold on for a minute. It should have blew through that, but it banged off it. Usually it blow right through it. I'm going to hold it for a second and watch what happens. Don't panic, right? There go the buyers coming in, sellers taking a profit. It's okay. We need a big old green candle here. Some large buyers to pop in for that run up. Let's watch it for a minute. It banged it and popped out of it. Usually it blow right through it. I'm watching. Here we go. 1 minute candle. Let's watch it. Blow through it. Blow through it. On my cell phone at the same time watching this stock on the group right here. Here we go. Blow through it. There we go. They're going to move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Don't be indecisive on me. Make that powerful move through there. Let's go. Make that move through that candle. Indecisive. We don't need indecisiveness. We need decisiveness. I should have got out of it, huh? Nope. It wasn't 10%. I'm gonna hold it for a bit longer. It's taking away short sellers. What it's doing. Let me see. My cell phone in my hand. I'm watching both at the same time. So my cell phone, I'm in KXIN at 307. Current price is 333. I'm hopping out 350 when it hits it. Why is it following me? What happened? We're gonna reverse this though. I'm not tripping on it. Let's see. Oh, we good. Profit taking. Let me get back on myself. Oh yeah, CCNC. I don't like it, but I see a potential for a little move right quick. Let me go watch right here right quick. I want to look at CCNC at the same time. I'm still looking. CCNC. They're gonna move to CCNC, making a move right now. So I want to hop in at 320 for a quick scalp to $4. Let's see what happens right here on CCNC. Is CCNC hot? Yeah. CCNC halting on volatility. I'm looking right now and I see it. Just not about to buy in and halting on volatility. Let's keep an eye right here in this BIMI. I'm still watching. I'm putting in the group right now. This CCNC halting on volatility may move may move right out of the halt. CCNC. Man, I want to get in that thing. Let me see. 425. BIMI acting crazy right now. 26 million shares being traded. 10.3 million share float. Here come that first green candle. Let's pop in. Watch CCNC off the hold. CCNC right out. And there we go. It's off the halt. Gonna pop $4. We over here watching on the bottom right. It popped $4, didn't it? Sure did. Then it took a dump. All right, where we at? I don't know. I'm still watching on my cell phone. I'm watching the BIMI. It's taking profits right now, which makes sense. We're only 10 minutes to the market open. Actually, 6 minutes. So it's normal. Remember, the VWAP is up here. Current price VWAP is 374. Let's see the BIMI. 1 minute chart here showing reversal. You see it pop this candle here. Then we got movement up. It was lined away. Leave it there. You look over here at CCNC. Don't buy China stocks. I don't, because they're dangerous like that. That's why you don't buy them. KXIN. Not do much nothing right now. It popped up, market opening, then it dumped. Looking at BIMI, still leading gapper. You can't really count these ones up here. Reverse split, reverse split, reverse split. Chinese stock, dangerous. Here come the green candle. Watch that move. Made quick bucks, cut bucks on KXIN in my trade earlier. That called in group. I'm gonna post it in a minute through my cell phone. Look for that move for BIMI, top left right here. When he crosses 372 mark, watch for the move. $60. I'm gonna click back on when I get 372. Trust your process though. It's gonna do what you researched it to do. Rarely it won't do what you looked at. If you're looking at the process right and putting your points in the correct way and watching your support and resistance levels, it's gonna do what it's gonna do according to how you researched it. It's just what it is. Cut losses early. If you think you in a losing battle, keep on pushing something else. But 1100% profit, target higher than what they expected. That's some good news. Keep popping up, popping back. Profit taking current. But it's hard to borrow, so you can't short it. Rephrase that. You're paying a premium to short it. You can short it, but you're paying a premium to short it. Let me rephrase that. Meanwhile, down here, KXIN doing crap. 64 million share trade float, 10 million shares being traded. Add to my watch list in a minute as I'm watching this BIMI on my cell phone trading and looking at these 3 stocks at the same time. So like CCNC is done. Chinese stocks are dangerous. Be careful with them Chinese stocks. I'm telling you, Chinese stocks are freaking dangerous. Be careful. Let's see. I'm still watching. We're gonna need one big bar to come in here on this BIMI to run this thing up. It wants to run. See this bar turning green? This volume bar, green and red, green, red, gray. It's ready to run. It's priming up. They go to green. Let's pop that EMA. Then pop that VWAP, and we gone. $350. Pop 350. We at. If it pops 363, we got room to run. 57, 60, 68. There we go. Let me go back over here. Pop that VWAP. We gone. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. 370. Pop that VWAP. We got room to run. 444. Let me go back over my charts. I don't like watching it too closely. It gets me nervous. So a lot of times I come off my chart and I go to my watch list right here, my chart watch, because looking at it live sometimes mentally messes with me. Here go the KXIN move. If you remember Friday, Hertz opened this very exact same way, opened the market the same way. It ran up, it pulled back, then it waited a few hours, then it ran up again in the afternoon. That's how some of these stocks do. Damn, look at exciting. Look at this. I put in the group too. Look at that. Watch a little while longer on this BIMI. Might take my loss and keep on pushing. I could have took 20 bucks, but that wasn't enough for me. I want a lot more than that 20 bucks. That wasn't my 10% that I was looking for. You take an L sometimes, it happens. You can't win them all, but this one I'm confident in. It's going to pop this point that I drew pre-market, which is right here. The float is too tiny. It's a 10 million share float trading 3.4 million shares. That's 4 times the amount of freaking shares you need for movement. AEHL. Let me look at AEHL. Oh, I missed that one, didn't I? Well, let's pull back here. Put in the group as well. Watch the pullback. All right, so if I was to buy this AEHL, my first buy-in point would be 270-ish. 265, there it go. Because indecisive candle. See this candle here? Indecisive. So the first buy-in for me, if I bought in, would 270-ish. If I bought in. I'm going to watch it for a minute. The new high would be 283, obviously. You can always buy in the new high. But that was indecisive. You can't recall that new high. What 1 minute saying on AEHL. Still watching BIMI up top right here. I'm still looking at it. It's consolidating. Man, this is, oh man. That's gross looking right there. Look at that. That's terrible. That's gross looking. There go green candle there. Watch the buy-in. 270-ish if you buy in. If I buy in. For a quick little 10% jump. Meanwhile, BIMI is up here doing stupid stuff. I'm still watching it. We're going to watch that point. I'm in the trade, so I'm down like 30 bucks right now. Yeah. Don't like it. Let's see. Let's watch this AEHL over here. Keep an eye on AEHL. Keep an eye over here. Be careful. Watch. Keep an eye. Now, new buying point now is 264. If it pops 264. All right, let's look. Let me add my watch list. I'm still watching BIMI because I'm in it, obviously. I can put it right now. I want to a trading stop and be done with it, or I can watch it. AMC making a move, I see. Let's look at AMC in a minute. See what it's doing. Look, KXIN still going. Look at that. I called it in the group as well. I'm done trading. I traded it one time only, but I called it. Look at that. Still going. God dang it. Right behind that is BIMI, so I ain't tripping on that. Look at that run there. That quick 5-minute high ran up. Next candle took profits, right? I was pulling back. All right, over here we got AEHL acting stupid still. BAMI consolidating for quite a while now, 5, 10, 15 minutes consolidation. Blow through this right here, this EMA, blow through that VWAP. We got room to run. Which is good if they retrace too far below the VWAP, which is good. 1 minute wise, it says here, 1 minute charts telling you to buy it, right? Past that new high, right? So we're looking good 1 minute chart. You would have bought in back here at 348, 349 area for a quick 10, 15, 20 cents. 1 minute. 5 minute is showing new high, 372-ish. VWAP 373-ish. They're going to move. Here you're showing your volume green candle. RSI is going forward, upwards. Reversal, hopefully. We're going to see reversal on the MACD. And we got room to run. $4 next stop. Next point, 444 high today. It wants to go through it, but it's like some buyers that's not there. We need some big buyers. Level 2 while I'm here. Okay. We got buyers coming in. See all these buyers coming in here? Yeah. Buyers piling in. Now put in the group KXIN and BIMI wants to moon. It's priming up for launch. Watch KXIN. This candle here gonna explode. You're gonna blow through $5. Let's watch. $93. There it is. Blew through $5. So man, why the heck BIMI not doing what KXIN just did? I don't like what BIMI doing over here. It's doing some foolishness. This video is long. It's a half hour. In this video, I'll get back to you later. I'll post the results in the end. One trade away.